Alright guys, so this is my bike. It's a 2013 Norco Truax frame, but all the parts are from the 2012 Truax. I just cleaned my bike up just for this bike check, so it's looking really nice. So we got a blue straight line stem, which I really like. I think it looks really cool with the orange frame. We got a Rock Shox Totem on the front, 180 millimeters, 7 inches of travel there. I like single crown, it's pretty sweet. So the tire on the front is a brand new Specialized Butcher 2.5 inch. So for my brakes, as you can see here, the front brakes are Avid Elixir R's, and so are the back brakes as well. I got the same tire on the back, Specialized Butcher, 26 inch wheels. Got some nice red straight line pedals. They're really good. They're getting old though now. So the rear shock here is a Coil Fox rear shock. It's just got a rebound adjustment, and that's about it.